we got the groom, we got the dress, venue, and flowers. Basically, we have it all figured out, but the week of the wedding, you're gonna wanna start putting a kit together for all those small things that you don't think about until that day. It's Jenny, and I'm back with your weekly how-to series on an emergency bridal kit. Okay, so we put together a really big kit today for you guys, so keep in mind you may not need everything. Pick and choose of things that you think are the most important. We've got this bigger bag here and then the smaller bag. So I'm gonna start with the small ones and we're gonna work our way up, okay? So, first off, you're gonna need a hairbrush, more than likely, bobby pins to, keep those strayaways. Another thing that I thought was really handy, some Q-tips in case your makeup gets a little wild in the corners or anything. If you're crying, you got some tears, you can always just dab those up. On that note too, setting spray after you set your makeup and everything. Finish off with that and then you can use it throughout the day as well. A little nail kit, so if you have a hangnail, anything weird like that, you can also use these to clip a couple of threads if needed. Very important as well is your menstrual items, tampons, pain relief. Also, I would include Advil, ibuprofen, anything like that. Crochet hook. If you have buttons on the back of your dress, it is very important that you keep a crochet hook with you at all times. Last but not least, lip balm. Gotta have lip balm at all times, and so put it in the emergency kit. You may not need it, but a bridesmaid may. Next, we'll work on to our bigger bag here. Oh, okay. Static guard. If you are pressing some of your bridesmaids dresses or steaming some of the bridesmaids dresses out, really important that you have this in case anybody gets staticky. Also works really great for flyaway hairs, as it's happening for me today. If you spray a little bit of this on a hairbrush and brush it through, it doesn't smell or anything, but it does keep those strayaways intact. It is 2021, so if we learned anything from this past year, it's that you should always have a couple of masks on hand. If you don't have some, we have some here. Groom's one, bride's one, we have lace ones. We can do a monogram on it, whatever you need, as well as hand sanitizer. After you put the mask on for a little bit, you may need something like a little bit of powder to go across your nose, your chin, wherever that mask is taking the makeup off. Also, you don't want to look too shiny throughout the night and through your pictures, so it's a good idea to keep some of this on you as well. And makeup wipes in case you get any makeup that's not supposed to be somewhere. If you get it on a groom's shirt, if it's white, these should help take some of that off. Also, shot wipes will be really great for that. In case you get a hangry bridesmaid, granola bars, blotters, very important. You have to keep everybody hydrated and fed throughout the day. You don't want any hangries. Band-aids, just in case there are any boo-boos of any kind. These will be handy. If you partied a little too hard at your rehearsal dinner, Tums are going to be great. I guarantee a groomsman is going to need these if you guys had a few drinks the night before. Safety pins and double-sided sticky tape. So in case you break a bustle point or anything like that, it is very handy to have safety pins with you. You can pin up that bustle point that broke and dance the night away without having to worry about it. Double-sided sticky tape. If for some reason you have a gapping strap or cup or anything like that, these will help. And if it's strapless and you would feel more comfortable, you can always tack them down with this. Last but not least, a lint roller for the groomsmen. Make a little bit of lint throughout the day, you just never really know, so keep that handy. And deodorant. Again, you just never really know what the weather's gonna be like that day or inside, so keep that on you as well. Last but not least, for you girls, bring an extra pair of flat shoes so you're comfortable throughout the day if you really just can't handle those heels anymore. Something simple, a sandal is totally fine, but have something that you're gonna be comfortable in. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If there's anything in this video that we missed or that you had on your wedding day or that you wish you would have had, drop in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you guys have to say. Can't wait to see you next time. Subscribe to our YouTube and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Bye.